Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yadira. Today I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing from Nike, a small haul from Sephora, as well as the new Chanel color compact mirrors. I'm going to put timestamps down below just in case you're just here for the Chanel, which you probably are, but I hope you'll stay tuned to watch the entire video. If you are new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I'm going to quickly share with you what I got from Sephora because it's just two different items, and the whole reason why I went there is because I had finished my Kosas Breezy Small Travel Size Compact Powder, and I'm in a hunt to find the perfect setting powder that is just not for the under eyes but for the entire complexion. So I am trying another mini. This is by the brand One Size. I got it in the shade Translucent. This is their ultimate setting powder. Whenever I tried the tester, I put it on my hand and it blurred so much, so I'm hoping this is gonna look perfect both as a setting powder for my concealer and my entire face. Again, the brand One Size, and I like the packaging. I like this little blush pink and then the pop of foil red on there. If you by chance have a favorite setting powder that works well for the under eyes as well as your entire face, like you can use one and done kind of thing, let me know what that is so I can give that one a try. So again, the translucent powder from One Size. And then the next item was more like an impulse, but I kind of need at the same time. So it's just pretty much a refill of my beauty blender. They had this one in the checkout section where they have all the little minis, and they actually had it on sale for $16. I have tried a little mini set just like this, so I do have a pouch already like this one, but this one's cute. This one is a clear glitter one. It comes with a little scrubber pad with grips so that you can clean your beauty blender as well as brushes. And then the cleansing solid does have the beauty blender in this hot pink color, and this little pouch is very great for travel. It does come with a little divider tab here that on one side it says wets me and on the other side it says clean me. On the wet side it does have little raindrops perforated right here to allow your beauty blender to dry. And then obviously for the other side, whenever you do have a clean beauty blender, you don't really need it to ventilate, so they have that other side for that. So this is really cute and compact. Again, this was $16. I'm assuming it was limited edition and it might be on a tail end of being phased out, but I like this little set because one, I already needed a beauty blender, and the beauty blender by itself is $20, so with this one at $16 it was just a great deal for sure. And then the little case, how it's clear with glitter, it reminds me so much of Barbie because that's like so on trend right now with the new Barbie movie. But anyways, this is called the Besties Beauty Blender Sets. I'm gonna link it down below in case you are interested. And let's go on with Nike. I had bought a pair of Dunks a few weeks ago and they were in this beautiful blush pink color that surprisingly enough, they are super comfortable and they go with a lot of my wardrobe. I think it's because of that color being borderline almost nude that it works with a great variety of pieces within my wardrobe. And I saw this pair and I thought this pair in particular must be a great combination for all of my Louis Vuitton handbags that are in monogram. So I'm hoping it's gonna blend well. I did bring my little bag that I'm wearing today. I have my mini pochette with chain, and I'm hoping it's gonna be a great mix. There was another pair that I actually wanted to get, but I was out of town whenever it released, so I didn't want it to be shipped and be outside for days that I didn't get to get it. I might have to get it in like StockX or one of those websites that, you know, resale people sell them. So I'm gonna put a picture of that here just in case you do have them. Let me know how you liking them, but those are the ones that I'm eyeing. For the actual unboxing, these are the ones that I got, and they are in this like light yellow, almost camel sort of color combination. This shade right here is not exactly white, it's kind of like an oatmeal off-white kind of color, and then I guess you can say it's mustard. This is like a leather, the little swoosh right there, and then it has white with this, I need to find out what this color is called. These are the Woman Nike Dunk Low LX Celestial Gold with Wheat Gold Sail. I'm going to show you exactly what that says. This is pretty much the combination that I think would be perfect with all of my handbags. So let's just see. Does it go? Does it not? I think this is gonna work out. Like with that vachetta or the actual print itself, that color really bounces well with this leather Nike swoosh right there. So I think it's gonna work out well. I might try them on and give you just a little quick view of what that looks like together. If they do end up being absolute hits within my collection, then I may or may not become a sneakerhead. I have no idea who I am, but so far I really do love my first pair that I'm hoping this is gonna work out just fantastic. And actually the other shoe in the box has this very fun lace detail on there, so now I have 2 different laces to play with, so that is awesome. I didn't even know it came with a second pair of laces. That's how much I just wanted to give this a try with my handbags versus caring about all the bells and whistles that it came with. Might be the box, but there's a little bit of some gray there. Maybe I can take it off. Let me show you. And then right here again, it might be, you know, shipping, but there's some imprints right there. But yeah, I'm very excited about this Nike combination. And moving on to Chanel, I did place 2 different orders. These are the new Couleurs compact mirrors. I wanted to quickly show you the different packages because you do have 2 different options whenever you go through checkout. You have a box option or you do have a dust bag option. So this is the bag that they will give you if you do opt for getting the dust bag, which I think this is quite nice. You can use it as like, you know what? I wonder if my Dyson Airwrap fits in here so I can take it on traveling, because that case that it comes with is so bulky. It's like half of my carry-on suitcase. But yeah, this is such a nice little baggie. I wanted to give both of them a try. First, I thought I was gonna get an actual little box and not this little tent sort of baggie. But that's cute too, like if you want to display it or whatnot. Basically a cloth bag. It's not cheap by no means. You can definitely reuse this. It's kind of like your shoe dust covers. Like if you ever buy any expensive shoe or a shoe with a lot of detail or embellishments, they might give you like little dust covers that go along with it. It's not like the Louis Vuitton version either. The closest equivalent that I can think of is like if you ever owned any Tory Burch shoes, they more than likely come with a little dust slip cover for travel. It's kind of like that same material. Actually, I don't know, long story short, it's a great quality that it's a bag that you can actually reuse, and not one of those that they say you can reuse and want you to reuse. Like you actually do want to reuse this one. At least I do. Or maybe a tech bag. I do need a new tech bag, so maybe everything fits in here and I can use that for that. So just a little 2 differences in packaging whenever you are ordering online. Okay, so that little bag was actually housing 2, so I have 2 right here, and then this box I have 2 more, and then 1 plus samples. So I do have 5 mirrors in total. I am not selling these. These are actually 1 for myself and then for my sisters, and I also got 1 for my mom, so that's why I have 5. Whenever I was looking at these colors, they had a few available. Pretty much the only one that was sold out was the Ballerine and the Diva, which the Ballerine is the rose ballerine color. The Diva is like a hot magenta kind of color, but they had everything else. I'm gonna pop all the colors here. They had a lilac in stock. Now thinking back, I probably should have bought that one, but I'm gonna go through all of these, and actually let me show you the samples really quick. And I am going to put timestamps down below just in case you just want to see the colors, or you can skip through whenever you see that. So I have the Le Lift Cream, also Le Mousse. The Le Lift is a smoothing cream, smoothing and firming, and the Le Mousse is a cleanser, a cream to foam cleanser. I got 2 other ones, another Le Lift and another Le. Oh, these are Night. And then this little baggie is cute too. It does have Chanel right here imprinted, also in a black print. This is more like a workout shorts kind of material, so very different from the other little baggie. This is more of a cloth. It's still very nice. I could probably even carry my mirror in here. And then I also did get a mascara. This is the Le Volume in the color Noir or black. So that is pretty cool. I will keep those. And then let's go through all the colors. So the very first one I'm going to show you is this one. This one is the color 121 Premiere Dame, or First Lady. I believe that's what it stands for. So this one is, it comes in its own slip cover. And then, ta-da! So this one is a coral. It is like an orangey coral. I think it meant to be a coral, but looking at it, it looks more orange than it does coral. I think I kind of classify coral just a tad bit more pinker, but it's still very pretty. So it does have the CC logo embossed in black. On the back, it has nothing. And then it is a dual mirror, so it does have the two right there. And one is regular and then the other one is a magnified mirror, so that's kind of cool. So you can, you know, do your makeup on the go. And I have a lot of mascara fallout. I mean, this is actually very awesome. It's emphasizing some creases I don't really want it to, but that magnifying glass is very nice. One thing I did want to say is, like, if you go here, it kind of stops. You see, like, you need to put pressure to be able to close it. It does not have a magnetic closure. Like, it doesn't, like, the back kind of stops it in a way. Like, it trumps it right there. You see? Don't want it to break. I'm kind of scared of it, but it is of a plastic material. And then it does have the little slip pocket right here, which on the outside is just like a velvet, and it does have the CC embossed right there. On the inside, it's not velvet, it's a different material. See the difference? Velvet, no velvet. No, so I guess the velvet comes in handy, like if you want to clean all of the fingerprints or makeup smudge marks or whatever from the actual compact, or even like the actual mirror itself. Like, can you clean this, like not scratch the mirror? So that's kind of clever. But yeah, that is what the Premier Dame color looks like. I actually have two of the Premier Dame color. One of them is mine, and then the other one is one of my sisters. So I'm gonna put that one to the side. So all right, so mine's the open one, the other one is hers. So putting that there. And then I do have 3 other different colors. It does not say the name of the collection, but I think it's just called Chanel Colors. It is limited edition, and it also does feature like a brush set and also a nail file, which I think I'm gonna grab a nail file. I guess I should have bought that so I can show you here, but if I do end up getting one, I will let you know what that is. Hopefully I can get one that matches the coral like my mirror, but if not, whatever is available, I guess, at this point in time. The number is 147 Incendiaire. I think it just means fire, if I'm not mistaken. This one is the red one. Yes, actually this one looks prettier. This one I want it to be for my mom. So again, the exact same thing, and because I have the coral, I'm going to show you. So I guess you can see the difference right there. So this is the red and this is the coral. Does have some warm orangey undertones, almost similar, but they are different. And then again, it does come with a little velvet cover here. Just a little quick backstory, these colors are all on purpose. I actually did send my sisters a text message letting them know all the colors that were available at the time, and then they each picked their own color. None of these were like purchased at random because they were in stock. Like, all of these were intentional colors. Like I said, whenever I did place my order, they did have a few available. This one is the 155 Rouge Noir. I think it's like red black. I think that's what Rouge Noir stands for. And this one should be the burgundy-esque shade. Very nice. Oh, it's not a black. This is like a purple brown. Is that what burgundy looks like? So it's actually a very beautiful color. I can see like the brown from the back. I feel like it looks black on camera, but all right. Now this last one, this one is pretty. This one is a color number 129, Ovni. I tried to look to see what the translation of this color was, and I think it means UFO, something like that, which is so weird. Like, why not call it, let me open it so I can give you what name is in my mind. Okay, so this one is the pale yellow color. It almost has like a green tone to it. I think they should have called this one like sunshine or daylight or something less not UFO-ish, or if that's what Ovni means. I don't know. If you're French, let me know what that means, but isn't this so beautiful? All right, so just a quick recap. These are the 4 colors that I got. So I have the red, the coral, the yellow, and the burgundy. Again, I did say that I had 2 of the corals. So these are it. Very fun colors. I kind of wish they would have introduced like a green or like a seafoam green. Like the light blue that they had was between a blue gray, but with all the colors that they had there, I kind of felt like they needed a green or some kind of a green. But yeah, these are very pretty. Again, if I do end up getting a nail file, I will let you know what color I end up getting that in, but this is so fun. I am excited for this one. This is such a bougie compact to have. I always like to have a mirror with me. I usually always get like one that has a blush with mirror, or it's a bronzer with mirror, or powder with mirror, not so much the actual mirrors themselves. So I hope that these are long lasting, but definitely very happy that these are going to be gifts for my sisters and my mom. So I'm going to link these down below if they're available. They might be available in your country, or I also heard that they have them at some boutiques. I don't really know. Again, I got these off the chanel.com website. So that is everything that I got. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you have any questions, please let me know what that is. I'm going to put all the product information down in the description bar. If you are leaving, thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. But if you want to hang out a little bit more, I am going to link some videos down below and then add some recommendations right here. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.